The Alcoholics Drinks Control Act, commonly referred to as the Mututho law, could cease to exist as we know it should Parliament approve amendments to the existing law as proposed by Mount Elgon MP Fred Kapondi. The proposed amendments that will affect 12 of the existing clauses look to, among others, simplify the licensing process by abolishing the requirement for publication of an application of a license in the Kenya Gazette, as well as pushes for a less judicial process. The amendments also seek to address the implementation difficulty arising out of prohibition of licensing any premises that are within 300 meters of a learning institution, in which he points out several premises, including high-class tourism hotels, will be closed down if the provision is effected. The amendment seeks to remove the blanket prohibition and instead leave the judgment of what is injurious to a learning institution to the discretion of the district committee. At the same time, he seeks to repeal Section 24 of the Act that implies that a family cannot have a meal together in a restaurant that sells alcoholic drinks if one member of the family is below the age of majority. He argues the prohibition of children entering restaurants or other eating establishments where alcoholic drinks are sold should be done away with, citing there exist businesses such as clubs, restaurants, parks that are family entertainment spots that sell alcoholic drinks. He is also seeking to vary the period of compliance with the new packaging requirements from 6 to 18 months to facilitate the disposal of existing stocks, as well as wants the industry to be allowed to continue with self-regulated promotions without having to seek approval of the Betting Control and Licensing Board. At the same time, the bill is advocating for a provision to allow public participation in the regulation-making process. Parliamentary approval be sought prior to gazettement of regulations, as well as increase the drinking hours to 12 so as to prevent businesses from collapsing due to high overheads and low returns. Kathina Chenga for the news at 9.